Yeah, guys, today this is one of my favourites, curry chicken. It's so close to my heart. I have it probably once, maybe twice every 2 weeks. I don't know. What is it? Once a week?
Once a week?
Once every 2 weeks.
If you have it once a week, it'll be twice every 2 weeks.
Something like that. Yeah. So I have it quite often, and the family love it. I love it. It's just one of my go-to meals, and it's not even long to do. So we're going to do it quickly. I've got the chicken here, but we're going to come back to the chicken and cut the veg up. Right, we'll get some carrot in there. And guys, I would use carrot. I'd be using a bit of potato in there. I ain't got no potato today. A little bit of potato, a little bit of carrot. Always goes down well with a chicken curry. Yeah, guys, that's us with vegetables cut. I'm gonna put the chicken here. Have a look at that, guys. I don't know, you can't smell it, but I can smell that pepper. It's just kicking out right now. But I'm gonna deal with the chicken, and the chicken, I'm just gonna cut up into small pieces. You can cut it off the bone. Chicken curry, you don't really have the skin on it. That's one thing I would say with chicken curry, you don't have the skin. But the skin tends to just mash out and it's in the pot and it's not very nice. So I'm just gonna de-skin that quickly. It's not pretty, guys. I know it's not pretty.
Were you saying that you buy a full chicken to do a curry?
Yeah.
You wouldn't buy like it diced up already?
Yeah, me in general, I don't buy legs, thighs or breasts because for me, it's how many chickens are in that packet. Is it 10 chickens or 5 chickens? You got 10 legs. Are they all from the same family? I don't know, so I don't mix it. I like to have my own of one thing. So we're gonna cut this off the bone. I'm gonna cut the backbone out. And guys, this bit here is quite important. We wanna keep the bone. That's gonna be part of the chicken as well. Normally I'd cut it with the breast on it as well, but I'm trying to get the flavour of the bone in the meal as well. So it's just going to give it a little bit more dynamics. Do you like eating bones?
I don't think I've ever read about that.
Yeah, but there's a lot of flavour in the bone because you've got the marrow, you've got the bone itself, and when it's cooking down, it just adds to the flavour of the meat. So this is one of them things, really. And that's my chicken prepped up, guys. Give the chicken a little bit of oil. That helps the seasoning stick. I hope you're getting that bit by now. And then we're going to go with some madras, curry powder, half a teaspoon. We're going to go with our madras. Guys, can you see that? That's like berries. We got like the pimento berry. We got the black pepper. And we're going to crush this up. A chop. Bang. Are you crazy? Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? Mate, that's going to go in the fire right now. I'm going to stoke the fire up and we're going to get crack-a-lacking with this meal. Yaga. Oh, yeah, I'm a natural. I'm going to start going camping, guys, I swear. Now, nice and clean. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil on it. You know, do you know about curry sauces and stuff like that? About introducing a little bit of curry to the pan?
I'm actually shaking my head right because I haven't got a clue.
So what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of curry powder in with the oil. And what we're trying to do, we're trying to not cook the curry powder, but we're trying to like semi-burn it. Oh yeah, my mouth's watering. I can't express how my mouth's watering right now. Guys, you might be seeing me dropping parsley in it. It should be time, but parsley can work. Yeah, now check this out. This is what's gonna make your gravy. Check this out, guys. Look at the oils, the colours. In about 20 minutes, all this is going to be much thicker. Chicken curry. Guys, I'm going to put this on the fire, let it cook down. And before I do that, there's one more thing we're going to do. As I don't have a pot lid, we're going to foil it. Check out this. Check out that. That's what I call curried chicken. Yeah, a lot of people would be saying, well, it's not as yellow as I know it to be. That's because I ain't put so much turmeric in it. If I wanted it to be yellow like a Caribbean curry chicken, that would have a lot more turmeric in it. Check that out, guys. Oh, that smells delicious. I can smell the ginger in that. Curry chicken. Mate, that looks delicious. Guys, that's what I call curry chicken, salad, hardo bread. You know what? I'm gonna sit down and eat this one for myself. You guys can do what you wanna do. Right now, I'm out of here. It's a massive yakka. Keep 100, guys. Rebounds!